I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Hekate. First, ensure your console is fully charged and you have a high-quality micro SD card, at least 64 gigabytes. You will also need a computer to download necessary files and transfer them. We will guide you through each step, from preparing your storage to launching Hekate successfully. This process is straightforward if you follow along carefully. To begin, insert your micro SD card into your computer. You must format it to FAT32. This ensures proper function with your console. Next, create a folder named Bootloader directly on the card's root. Now, download the most recent Hekate release package. Extract its contents, then copy the bootloader folder from the extracted files into the bootloader folder you just created on your SD card. This step is crucial for the next stage. With your SD card ready, insert it into your console. Now, you will need to enter recovery mode, or RCM, and inject the Hekate payload using a jig in your computer. Once Hekate launches, you will see its main menu. From here, you can navigate to Tools and then Payloads to launch your desired custom firmware. Take your time to explore the options and ensure everything is correctly configured for your system. For advanced users, consider backing up your NAND through Hekate's tools. This is a critical safety measure. You can also explore various settings like auto boot options, custom themes, and payload chain loading for a more personalized experience. Remember to keep your Hekate files updated for the best performance and compatibility. Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Enjoy customizing your console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.